Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford F-150 in an XL trim, powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Coming with the STX Appearance Package, giving you a unique grille, color-matched front and rear bumpers, unique rims, and black interior cloth. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with the black cloth, as I mentioned, can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. It does also have a vinyl floor that's easier to clean. And in the middle, you have 2 cup holders with a 12-volt USB and USB-C and 120-volt power outlet. Looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, trip 1 and 2 information, driver assistance features and settings, fuel economy, eco coach, and comm screen. Then on the left you have your cruise controls with distance pace or with lane keeping system, and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as your general truck features, including driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, hazards, and traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use, does have AC. To the left, you have your trailer brake controller, 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode. Moving on to the right here, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet. And then down below, you have this pin with a USB and USB-C. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then onto your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders, a large bin here, and then your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Plenty of room inside, and another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in there too. But that should cover our look of the interior. So now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.